All right, fellas, ladies, here we go. So we got one back together. We put that piece, this piece in behind there. That's what pushes and pulls. Well, not pulls it. It actually, when it rotates back in, I'm sure that thing hooks in somehow. I'm gonna look at that. I might have done something already wrong. Yeah, I figured if it pushes it back, it's got to grab a hold of this and pull all that back too. So I'm glad I'm talking about it. So anyways, it says put it all in a track, and you want to put this in the up position. So you want to put it all the way to the roof and hook your wire in there. That wire does not go there. I know that. I think it goes in that little hole right up at the top. But what I wanted to do, since I brought you back, I wanted you guys to see how it goes together. So it just slipped in the track. See, it gave me some this bracket assembly. Give me some. It looked like Vaseline. It might be white silicone lube, but I figured it wasn't the stuff to eat, so didn't say it in the instructions. But what I did is I smeared that stuff all in there. As you see, it's nice and goopy, because even though this is a flip car, we don't I just like to do things right. And I'm going to check about this bracket here now that I see that it's supposed to be pulling the track back and lifting the roof down. So I'll be right back, and I'm going to look at that, and then we'll be sewing this bad boy up, and we'll give it a last test. Okay, so y'all come on back. Thanks.